না মনো লাগে না এই জীবনে কিছু যেন ভালো লাগে না না মনো লাগে না Namaskar everyone, I'm Samanvitha Sharma and I'm very thrilled to be coming and performing for all of you as part of the Durga Pooja celebrations being organized by Sorba. I will be performing as a part of the Bollywood night with a very unique theme, that is Bengalis in Bollywood over the last few decades. This event is brought to you by Stellar Events under the curation of dear friend Mr. Manoj Agarwal. There are a lot of wonderful artists and musicians performing as a part of this event, and we hope to give you all a very good time. So do join us on the 21st of October at the Sorba grounds at 8 p.m. Let's have some fun together.